Hi guys and welcome back. I'm Steve the bartender and today I've got a bit of a surprise. You've all probably noticed Mr. Black's has been sitting on the shelf for quite some time. Thanks for the team from Mr. Black for sending them to me. They've been there for a little bit and I've been meaning to make a few drinks with them, and today's going to be the first opportunity. They've also sent a couple of prizes. So I've got a cocktail pin, which is an Espresso Martini, as well as a iron-on patch. In addition to some shirts. I was going to wear it in the video, but these are large and I'm put on a few kilos lately. So I've got a Mr. Black shirt, 2 of those to be given away, and I'll leave a link to the competition in the description below. Okay, I'm being honest guys, I've pretty much never fitted into a large, so I haven't put on kilos, I've just always been fat. Today I'm going to make the El Jefe. I think that's how you pronounce it in Spanish. Any Spanish people out there, tell me that I'm wrong, because I mispronounce everything. Anyways, an El Jefe means the boss, and this is pretty much just a Espresso Martini with a tequila, with a Reposado Tequila. So I'm going to measure out 40 ml, 1 1/3 ounce. Add that straight into your cocktail shaker, followed by Mr. Black. So 20 ml, 2/3 of an ounce. For those who aren't familiar with Mr. Black, it's a really rich coffee liqueur. You get the bitterness from the coffee. It's not overly sweet. I mean, it's still obviously got a bit of a sugar content, but it's definitely not as sweet as a lot of other coffee liqueurs that are on the market. So it was first made in Australia back in about 2013, and since then the company has gone gangbusters because it's a really good liqueur. Now, cold brew coffee, 30 ml, 1 ounce. Straight into the shaker, followed by 10 ml of Agave Syrup. Add ice to your cocktail shaker and give it a good shake for about 12 seconds. Then strain it into your chilled cocktail glass. I think a Liqueur is perfect for this. Double strain if you prefer. As the drink starts to settle, you'll start to see the foam form. And for a garnish, you can either do coffee beans if you don't have a chocolate powder. Today I'm using a chocolate powder. And there you have the El Jefe. Cheers. That is a delicious version of an Espresso Martini. You really get the agave notes and the tequila coming through. I like that it's not overly sweet. It's just got the right amount of sugar content. You get a subtle bitterness from the coffee coming through. This is delicious. Make sure you try it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.